Every day, millions of people unknowingly suffer from mild dehydration, especially students and office workers who are too busy to drink enough water. According to health experts, dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, poor focus, and even more serious health risks over time. Yet, despite knowing its importance, many still fail to maintain proper hydration because of busy schedules and lack of reminders. This growing problem inspired our team to create a smart water bottle with AI hydration reminder, an innovation that helps users stay hydrated by automatically tracking their water intake and reminding them to drink. Our goal is to address not only the physical need for hydration, but also the modern challenge of maintaining healthy habits in an age of distraction. Through this innovation, we aim to make drinking water a simple, consistent, and personalized part of everyday life.
The smart water bottle with a hydration reminder uses a modern technology-based approach to help people stay properly hydrated throughout the day. It combines artificial intelligence, sensors, and a mobile app to track how much water a person drinks and remind them when it's time to take another sip. The bottle is made from durable and eco-friendly BPA-free Tritan plastic and has a built-in sensor that measures both water intake and temperature. These sensors send data to a small AI system inside the smart cap, which studies the user drinking patterns, activity levels, and even the surrounding temperature. Based on this information, the bottle sends the personal reminders through LED lights on the cap and notifications on the user's phone. The project approach focuses on convenience and health by making hydration easy to monitor and manage. Users can see the daily progress, set goals, and get feedback through the connected mobile app. The bottle runs on a rechargeable battery, making it a practical and sustainable for everyday use. By merging AI technology with simple design and eco-friendly materials, the smart water bottle promotes healthy habits and supports an active, balanced lifestyle. This approach shows how innovation can be used not just for comfort or luxury, but to improve people's well-being in a smart and sustainable way.
Our project aims to promote better health and wellness by addressing a common issue: forgetting to drink enough water. Many students and office workers struggle with dehydration due to busy schedules. The smart water bottle uses AI-powered reminders personalized to each user's activity level, environment, and hydration habits. This feature helps ensure consistent water intake and encourages users to develop healthier daily routine. In addition, the smart water bottle offers real-time monitoring and feedback through built-in sensors and mobile app. Users can track their daily consumption, beverage temperature, and hydration progress with ease. These features make it convenient to stay on top of wellness goals while building sustainable and mindful drinking habits. The project also supports sustainability and practicality. Made from BPA-free Triton plastic, the bottle is durable, reusable, and environmental friendly. Helping reducing disposable plastic waste, its rechargeable lithium battery makes it energy efficient and portable, suitable for athletes, students, and office workers alike. Overall, the smart water bottle showcases how technology and AI can enhance everyday life by promoting health, convenience, and eco-conscious living.
Good day, everyone. In the market today, there are already smart bottles like Hydrate Spark, Lee Smart Bottle, and Aqua Smart Bottle. Hydrate Spark tracks your water intake and glows to remind you, but it's expensive and doesn't adjust to your personality habits. Please focus on UV extraction, which is great for cleanliness but not on the personality hydration. And Aqua vibrates to remind you to drink, but it still needs manual input and lack AI features. That's where our smart water bottle with the AI hydration remind stand out. It doesn't just remind, it's learn. Using artificial intelligence, it's analyze your drink habits, activity level, and even temperature to give your personalized reminders. It's also more affordable, eco-friendly, and user-friendly than other brands. In short, our product combines innovation, accessibility, and sustainability, making it not just another smart bottle but a smart way to stay healthy and hydrated. And thank you.
What makes your product innovative is the use of AI to personalize hydration reminders based on the user's habit, activity level, and environment. Instead of sending the same fixed notifications, our bottle actually learns from the users and adapts their lifestyle. Because of this, the reminders become more accurate and effective. This makes the product not only smart but also practical, personalized, and supportive of healthier daily hydration habits.